My name is Mlindazwe, an ICBC pastor from Mlindazwe ICBC. Here at the ICBC, we are running a preschool. As you can see, our students here. Hello, guys. Okay, so this preschool has helped a lot of children from the community, because in the past there hasn't been any preschool here, because around the primary schools we do have piloting grade zeros, but most of the time you find that there are no teachers for the grade 0 class. So when this preschool started, then parents were so happy.
My name is Mlindazwe. My students normally call me Teacher J. I'm a teacher here at Liberty Preschool. I also had a daughter last year who was doing grade 0 at the same preschool, and she's in grade 1 right now. The impact that a school has, because I also reside in the community, I'm also part of the community. The impact the preschool that it has for us, normally because we're in a very rural area, it's very, very rural. So preschool education was taken lightly before. Normally it was like, hey, they can go and play. Preschool is just for them to play. It wasn't really that they have to learn. There is learning, serious learning in preschool.
I am your boy. I am 5 years old.
And who is this?
Mama.
Who is this?
Mama.
And who is this?
We included parents in the learning part of the children, not only for the teachers and the children to learn at school. We also we also gave children homework to do at home. That was for including the parent, to help the parent realize the impact a preschool has on children.
We are seeing God moving through the preschool. Some children, the way they come to the preschool, some of them you find that they are from abusive backgrounds. At first they don't open up. Some of them cannot even express their emotions, but later, as we continue to show them the love and care, and to make them feel loved and heard, they begin to show their emotions, and they begin to open up the more and be able to play with others well, and be polite to the next person. And we have seen some of them, they come here not even knowing how to pray. They can't even utter a single word in prayer, but later they are able to say a few words.